$498. That's what I earned this morning in random passive income before I even made breakfast for my son. 2 emails, no social media posts, no sales calls. And yeah, $498 doesn't sound like much, but multiply that by 30 days in a month. That's almost 15 grand. Would 15 grand change your life? And here's the twist. What if the way to make passive income like this wasn't something you had to do alone, but something you could actually build with your spouse or even teach your kids to do alongside you? Stick around until the end because I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing this and how you can too. I'm Annie, I'm a mom, and I don't come from money. I don't have a finance degree. I don't have a business background. I was a dental hygienist before I quit to do YouTube. So if you're a skeptic like me who's seen 1,000 online gurus telling you that you can make a bunch of money online, just like they did after they quit their corporate finance job or their big marketing job, and you're like, okay, well, how about for us people who don't have a background in marketing or finance? That's how I always felt watching them. Yeah, dental hygienist right here. I'm just a mom who wanted to stay home with my kid and not miss the moments that matter. And I was tired of searching for something legit online that was going to work and just continuously feeling like I was in over my head. And hey, if you've ever tried things online before and they didn't work, same. I wasted time and money on stuff that promised the world and delivered frustration and the feeling that I was just being taken advantage of. That's why when I found this system I'm going to talk about, I was skeptical at first too, but I realized not everything online is shady. You just have to find the ones that actually give value and don't hide behind gimmicks. And I finally found a couple, and I'm going to talk about one here in this video right now. It's the main way that I make $300 to $500 a day in passive income. It's called the Automated Profit Partners System, or APPS for short. And honestly, it changed everything for me. It was my starting point. The thing that made me be able to say, okay, I can do something. I can make money online. Here's what it is. It's a complete high-ticket affiliate marketing business that shows you how to build passive income using done-for-you webinars. And if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, don't worry. I'll explain more in a minute, but let me just say nobody else is teaching this technique. And let's just pause for a second because I know what some of you might be thinking. Affiliate marketing, I've heard of that. Doesn't it have kind of a bad reputation online? And honestly, you're not wrong if you have heard that. The way some people do it can be sketchy. You've probably seen people throwing random links all over the page, or you might have heard other gurus talking about how they think affiliate marketing is lame because you don't actually own the products that you're bringing customers to or selling, and you only get a percentage of the profit. But that's actually why I love affiliate marketing, so stick with me here. I have personally tried to design and create my own products and have my own storefronts online, and as a somewhat lazy introvert, I can tell you that dealing with designing your own website and storefront and dealing with product labeling and dealing with refunds and customer complaints and clients and customer service in general is just not what I personally want to be doing. I want passive income where I do a little bit of work and then continue getting paid even when I'm not working and I'm just behind the scenes. At its core, affiliate marketing is actually one of the most legit business models out there. It's been around for decades. It's just connecting people to products they already want or need and earning a commission for bringing the customer to the company. So you're the middleman. Affiliate marketing is the same concept. The real difference comes down to how you do it. If you're promoting products you don't believe in, yeah, it could feel scammy. But when you recommend high quality products that actually change lives and give value, that's integrity, that's service. You're bringing people to exactly what they're already searching for. And businesses are willing to pay you for that. 10% on the low end, like with Amazon, and 50% on the high end, which is what we're talking about. And that's exactly why I love apps, because I know the courses and webinars inside that I'm bringing people to are valuable, evergreen, and something I would show to my friend or my mom, which is really important. Integrity is key. Like if you're selling something you wouldn't sell to your mom or your grandma, like don't do it. There's high quality products out there. So here are the 3 best things about apps that differentiate it from every other make money online business out there in my mind. It's not just a course, it's also a full affiliate program. That means instead of paying for one course and only being able to promote that course like many other affiliate marketing courses out there do, with apps, you get access to 20 different high quality products within their affiliate program that you can earn commissions from. And you're not just stuck with those 20 products. You can branch out and earn commissions from any product or business that you like. They teach you how to do it so that you can do it with anything. Number 2, why I love this system, these aren't $10 products. These are $500 to $2,000 high ticket products. This is high ticket affiliate marketing. And like I said, they don't pay 10% like Amazon does. It's called the Automated Profit Partner System because they're giving you 50% commissions. So you're basically like a partner with them, which means commissions of up to $250 to $1,000 each, which means if you make one sale per day, you have a business that's making you an extra $7,500 to $30,000 per month. And you're getting 50% just for bringing the customer to the product. You didn't have to create the product. You didn't have to design anything. You didn't have to build a website. You don't have to deal with refunds. You don't have to deal with phone calls or customer service. All you have to do is bring the customer to the product that's already, everything's been done for you, and you take 50%, which is why I feel like this business is perfect for anybody who's lazy and introverted like I am. And the third thing about apps that really stands out to me is that when you join, you actually get 2 accounts for the price of 1. So you can do this with a friend, your spouse, a coworker, or even teach your kid how to do this. Imagine teaching your child how to make their own money online now with passive income instead of them waiting until they're 30 to figure it out. Like, I wish my mom had shown me this when I was young. All right, here are the reasons why I stand behind this over everything else I've seen online. Number 1, integrity. The creator, Ron Douglas, has been in the game 20 plus years. No flashy cars, no fake promises, just what works. I know him personally, and he's a legit down-to-earth dude who actually cares. Number 2, it's evergreen. Webinars are the number 1 way people learn and buy online, and this market is not going away. It's only growing. Number 3 is the value. The done-for-you funnels you get, the done-for-you emails, the training, the live support, even a private Facebook group where you can ask questions and see other students who are doing this well and being successful with it. And then the exclusivity of this isn't just a course anyone can promote like with Wealthy Affiliate or Legendary Marketer. Yes, that does mean a higher entry-level price to get into it. Unlike with Legendary Marketer, you can start for $7, which is why there's thousands and thousands and thousands of people doing it. You don't want to be competing against hundreds of thousands of people. So yes, you do pay a little bit more to get into this program, but then you don't have to deal with the oversaturation. And then of course, the 2-for-1 accounts that I already mentioned, nobody else offers that, period. And it's just so cool that you could do this with somebody else that could help keep you accountable, or that you could teach your kid how to do this too. My son Kai is only a year old right now, but when he's old enough to learn this business, you better believe I am teaching it to him. So who this is for, who I would recommend this for, here are 3 types of people this program is good for, because not every program is good for everyone, contrary to what they all say. First type of person, a parent, a mom or a dad who wants to make money from home so they can spend time with their kid and have security without having to take out a business loan or creating products, designing a website, spending a ton of time dealing with customers. None of that. Number 2 type of person, if you're someone who doesn't want to start a business alone and you need a partner or someone to keep you accountable and motivated, you get 2 accounts for the price of 1. So I think this would be really good for somebody who needs that like boost of somebody else to do it with them. And number 3, existing affiliates who are tired of making $2 commissions and want to actually make real money, this would be perfect for you. Who this is not good for, and I'll be real, if you're someone who doesn't want to put in any work, this isn't for you. You're going to have to put in some work in the beginning, some effort up front, and you'll actually have something real that pays you back for years to come. That's how passive income really works, and freedom is actually built. It's not like winning the lottery where you don't have to do anything and you just get rich. Passive income can be a money printing machine, but you have to build the machine first or buy it. If you have $1 million, you can just buy a passive income business, but most of us don't have that. So we got to build it. Okay, now let's talk investment. Normally apps is $2,497 plus $500 a month for them to run the back end. But with my link, I am one of their top affiliates. You can get it for $9.97, lifetime access, no monthly fees, no upsells. And remember, you get 2 accounts, so you can split it with your spouse, a friend, a coworker, or gift one to your kid and teach them how to make money so they can take care of you when you're old. And I do want to pause here and give some notice to the fact that $9.97 is a lot of money for a lot of people. I think there's a lot of creators out there that is like, oh, this is like such a good deal. It's only $9.97. And it's like, well, yeah, for some people, that's not a lot of money, but like that's a lot of money for a lot of people. So $9.97 isn't nothing. If it's going to put you out on the street, like don't do it. But most business startup costs are minimum 5 figures with a brick and mortar business, and profit margins usually don't happen until year 2. And the average profit even after year 2 for a successful business is 12%. Like if you're doing 12% profit, you're doing really good. This is minimal startup cost. Your profits are 50% from the jump and forever. And you could literally make your money back with 1 sale. So just take that into consideration. Final thoughts. Here's the bottom line. It's a complete system. You get access to 20 different high quality, high ticket products. You're also not limited to just those products either. You earn 50% on high ticket commission, so you're essentially a partner. You get 2 accounts. No other system is offering that. This is an evergreen skill that you're learning that you can continue building a business for years to come. It's not just a trending business that's going to end, and AI is only going to make it easier. This is a legit real business created by a legit dude, so it's not another marketing scheme. Honestly, I highly recommend it, not because it's magic, but because it works if you actually put it to use. So if you want to check it out, the link is in the description. Use that link for the discount and the second account. And thanks for watching Raising Freedom. Drop me a comment. I always reply personally. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another parent who needs to hear this.